Are you in need of a personal loan but don't know where to start? Don't worry, I got you covered. Today, I will walk you through everything that you need to know to get the best personal loan, even if it's your first time applying. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification so you don't miss any upcoming videos regarding personal finance, investing, and good money habits. Let's jump straight into it. Today, we will be talking about personal loans and how to get the best deal. I will also be sharing a couple of different tools that can help you make the right decisions. I will be linking everything in the description box below, so make sure you check it out if you want to get the best deal on a personal loan. Whether you need extra cash for debt consolidation, home improvement, or even an unexpected emergency, a personal loan can be a lifesaver if you know what you're doing. By the end of this video, you will understand how to secure a loan and how to get the best interest rates in order to get the best deal possible. So what exactly is a personal loan? In short, it is an installment loan that allows you to borrow a fixed amount of money, such as $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 or more, which then you pay back over time, usually with a set interest rate. Unlike a mortgage or a car loan, personal loans, you do not need collateral. For example, when you buy a house, you get a 30-year mortgage, a 30-year loan that is backed by your property, by your house. So if you don't pay, they take your house. When it comes to personal loans, there's no collateral, so you don't have to put anything up in order to get the money. Depending on the lender, you can get a loan for as little as $1,000 or all the way up to $100,000. Another important factor that determines how much money you can potentially get is your personal financial situation and how much money you make. But remember, since most of these personal loans are not backed by anything, there's no collateral backing them up, such as a mortgage or a car loan, the interest rates tend to be a little bit higher. So why choose a personal loan? Well, the biggest draw is flexibility. When you get a personal loan, let's say you get $5,000, you can use that money for literally anything. You can use it to buy new stuff, you can use it to buy a used car, you can use it to pay off other debts that have higher interest rates. Once the money hits your bank account, you can use it for just about anything that you want. Now let's talk about qualifications. Not everyone that applies for a personal loan gets approved. Here are some key factors that creditors look for when you apply for a personal loan. Number one, credit score. A higher credit score can open doors to better rates and more money. Number two, income and employment status. Lenders want to make sure you can repay the loan, so proof of a stable income is critical. Number three, debt to income ratio. This is the percentage of your monthly income that goes towards debt. The lower the ratio, the better. First, the higher your credit score, the better rates you're going to get. Creditors want to see at least a 650 credit score in order to qualify for decent rates, in order to get the money that you want. But I have seen creditors give loans to people that have credit scores below 600. But if you want the lowest interest rates and a big personal loan, you will need a higher credit score and, most importantly, a higher income. The more money you make, the more money you'll be able to get in a personal loan. Having a regular 9-to-5 job and getting paid every week or every 2 weeks will show the lender that you have steady income coming in and that you are able to pay the loan back. And finally, your debt to income ratio. If you have income coming in, but every single dollar that you make is going towards other debt, other personal loans that you have taken out before, and the majority of your income is going into debt, chances are this will be a red flag to a lot of lenders, simply because they see that you do not make enough money to pay back additional loans. All right, now that you know what personal loans are and how to qualify, let's talk about how to get the best deal possible. Tip 1, shop around for the best rates. Never settle for the first offer. That is why I highly recommend you use tools that compare multiple banks, multiple institutions at the same time. I have included a couple of tools in the description box below that allow you to enter in your information. Then you're going to get a ton of different offers. You'll be able to see what bank is offering what rate for your situation. So instead of going to 10, 20 different banks and applying, filling out your information multiple times, with the link in the description box below, you fill it out once and you are able to get multiple offers from multiple banks that will show you the rate, how much your monthly payment will be, and how much money they'll be able to give you. So definitely check those links out. But like I said, it is important to shop around, compare rates, never settle for the first offer. Tip number 2, improve your credit score. Improving your credit score can definitely take some time. It can take a month all the way up to 3-4 months. But one of the easiest ways to improve your credit score is to pay off some debt. So let's say you have a personal loan or a small car loan or whatever, or some late payment that you didn't pay months ago. Make sure to pay that off. A small bump in your credit score could mean a better interest rate on your personal loan, and that means lower monthly payments. Tip number 3, consider a cosigner. This is probably very difficult. A lot of people that are in very tough situations, that have no credit or their credit score is completely ruined, most of the time you're going to need a cosigner in order to get the amount that you want. For example, if you use the link in the description box below to compare rates and you have a very low credit score or no credit score whatsoever, chances are you're still going to find a bank that will give you a loan. It might be a small loan of $1,000, $2,000, maybe even $3,000 or $4,000. But if your credit score is 0, you have no income, chances are you're going to need a cosigner in order to get more money, $5,000, $10,000 or more. And now let's talk about the pros and cons of a personal loan. Like any financial product, personal loans do have their pros and their cons. Pros: fixed payments make budgeting easier. You will know exactly what your payment is every single month. Flexible usage for nearly any purpose. Once you get the personal loan, you can use it for just about anything. No collateral required in most cases. You do not need to put up your house in order to get a personal loan. If you want a small loan, you can get it without any collateral. The cons: higher interest rates for people that have lower credit scores. That is why I always say improve your credit score as much as possible. Fixed monthly payments. This is also a con, simply because a lot of people's income fluctuates. So if you drive Uber or you have a side job that is not steady, that is not regular, one week you might make $100, next week you might make $1,000. So fixed payments can definitely be a pro and a con. And finally, fees, such as the late fee, which you will be charged if your payment is late. Personal loans can be a great option for a lot of situations. Obviously, everything is up to you in determining whether a personal loan will be beneficial to you and if it will be beneficial to your financial situation that you are facing right now. Alright, so that is a wrap. That is how you can get a personal loan, and that is how you can improve your chances of getting a better interest rate and a better deal overall. Remember, the key is preparation. Improve your credit score. Never settle for the first offer. Shop around as much as possible. Use a personal comparison tool like the one in the description box below, and always read the small print. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and if you have any questions whatsoever, drop it in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Peace out.